Hey guys, welcome back to another product video for the storage ottoman. I already had this for over 3 months now, and this is great to store toys or other items inside this ottoman. And you can also use this as a seating area also. So this is very easy to put together, and the lid comes off and it has a sturdy base on the bottom to keep it elevated off of the ground. So the material is a nice fabric material, and you can see how easy it is to lift up. So it's just a lid like so. It's a nice cushion top right here, and this stores a lot of items inside there. This is a thin MDF material. So everything fits there good, and you can even use this as a seating area also. If you are interested in buying one of these, I'm going to post a link in the description, and you can buy this from Amazon.com. Overall, this is a great storage ottoman. I like how this holds a lot of items inside, and it also doubles as a seating area. Also, it's well made and it's very comfortable to sit on, and it's very easy to put together.